Hi, this is Martin from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at what is a coconut seed that sprouted, I guess a few months ago. So what we're just taking a look and seeing, we're recording everything's in the Dougherty Garden. So this is the one that I have around. I'll get to show you the one that's in the ground where actually this little baby came from. But this is a tall Jamaican tall coconut seed that sprouted. Let me get in the back of the garden so I can show you what mama looks like. And hold on a second, let's get over here so I don't trip over all the it's still raining. I don't know when the hell the rain's going to give up, but giving up at this stage again. Alright, I'm going to go past my Bismarcky over here for a moment. Grass is starting to grow again. When it stops raining, maybe the grass will slow down. And here we go. There's a base of the Jamaican tall. I'm going to get over here so we can appreciate the little darling. And there we are in all its glory. It's Jamaican tall coconut tree. As you can see, there's literally about 50 coconuts, if not more than that, in the canopy, huddled next to the trunk. And the leaves are rather strong and long, and it's one of the, I call the far end of the garden on the right hand side, and Mother Nature's been kind to it, and we just wanted to show you what it looked like on the thing. Let me see if I can get up close and see if anything over here is growing. There we go. As you can see from the base, there's at least 8 to 10 coconuts had fallen over there, and there's a few of the other ones. Let me just get this out of the way. It's all coconuts that have fallen. So this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Thank you for visiting the garden. A little closer look at what they look like, and please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, we're all ears. Thank you for stopping by. Bye bye.